I have been thrifting regularly since I first got my license. I actually used to go thrifting in between any big breaks of college classes that I had. There was like a couple thrift stores nearby and I would just drive over there in between classes instead of, probably studying like I should have. And even as a teen, I really loved decorating using thrifted items. I redid my bedroom when I was like 15 and I got one of those 1980s Sears like faux French provincial desks, and I gave it like the full DIY treatment. I wish I had pictures of it still. I stenciled it, hand painted it, everything, and I was so proud of it. I just think there is always something fun about thrifting items and maybe putting in a little bit of love to them too. To me, just makes items extra special, and I often find myself feeling a lot more of a connection to them than I do the furniture that I buy new. I feel like when I buy new furniture, I'm much less likely to like it in a couple years, but when I thrift something, I feel like I tend to hold on to it just longer. But anyway, today I wanted to share with you some of my favorite home decor items that I have thrifted over the years. Both the dresser and the mirror in our primary bedroom are easily one of my absolute favorite thrift finds that I've ever come across. The dresser I found thrifting not long after we moved into our house, and it was such a steal at only $10. The mirror I found last year while thrifting, and it was $20, and it is solid carved wood. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's truly the mirror of my dreams. Last year I gave my office a little bit of a mini makeover, and part of that I wanted to find a new chair for that room, like a nice little reading chair, and I came across this one at the thrift store for only $20, and it's just comfy and adorable, and I think it works so well in the space. In case you missed it, our dining room table was also thrifted. I got it for $100 and I spent quite a bit of time stripping it down, and my husband even made some cuts on it so that it was a little more angular and not so curved. So if you missed it, I will definitely have it linked below because it was one of my favorite projects and one of my favorite thrifted pieces. Also in our dining room is this cute little stool that I thrifted for I think $5, and now I use it as a plant stand, and I just think it's so adorable and it brings me so much joy. I honestly think that thrifting is the best way to get some of your kitchen essentials. I actually have a whole video on this because so much of my kitchen is thrifted. I especially love these storage jars that I have been collecting and using for years, and I think they are just such a cuter option than a lot of the things that you can buy brand new, and they are just so lovely. And somehow, even beyond everything else, I think one of my favorite things that I have thrifted for our house is my books. I have always loved books, and not only do I love reading, but I think antique books especially are so much fun to use as decor. I think all books can be used as great decor, and it's such a great way to show through some of your personality and some of the things that you love and let it just shine through in your decor.